Mechanical properties. Each material page contains an official alphanumeric or numeric designation and important details about the standard itself. Action buttons to the right offer functionality such as adding to material lists in your material console, adding to reports, exporting to CAX, and bookmarking. 4 tabs highlight the most important properties of the material. They can be collapsed, and your preference will be remembered. Synthetic View shows a range for each mechanical property that includes all standards and conditions at temperatures that you select, giving you an overview of the material's capability. Switching to Details View allows you to choose which standards to view and select from a list of available conditions. You can narrow the conditions with filters for heat treatment, form, dimensions, and which properties are available. Filter by quenched and tempered heat treatments and the list becomes more specific to your requirements. Select all conditions again and scroll down to see a list of all delivery conditions and their specific properties, with a description of the condition and properties data provided by verified sources. With one click, the data can be sorted by properties, starting with tensile strength and including important additional notes. By default, the data is displayed in tables. Click on the View Diagram link to interact with the data through Total Materia's unique diagram functions. Hover on the curve to see live data. Select functions above to analyze curves in different ways, or even zoom in to see the diagram in greater detail.